Have you ever wanted to get better with money? Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to be financially free? If so, this video might be for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 ways that are practical to get better with money and to become a millionaire. All right, the first one is to learn. Read a book, take a course, get information about the basics of money. So you have to learn about money, how to make it, how to keep it, how to steward it in order to know what to do with it, right? And so I'm thinking about making a course. Let me know in the comments if that would be helpful to you. I'm going to keep doing all of these videos that are for free, but if you want a more streamlined place and just a whole set that's really in depth on all the basics of money and maybe then the next level of money, I'm happy to make that. So let me know if you'd be interested or if you would like that. Definitely let me know in the comments below and I will consider making that this summer. But know the basics, read the books, invest in the books, invest in that. Like, right? If you are going to take a math class in school, you would get a math textbook that has all the different math equations that you need to learn algebra or to learn calculus or to learn trigonometry, whatever. So you need to get a book or get the information in some way, whether that's through a course, whether that is through getting different books or a huge financial textbook. Go ahead and, if you didn't take financial education in school or were taught financial literacy, see if there's a textbook out there that really goes into that. Honestly, that would be cool to make as well. Let me know if you'd want a financial textbook or guide. That would be really cool too. And so have that. Go learn the information. You're not going to know it if you don't learn it. This is the same thing with anything. It doesn't have to be financial education, but if it's anything you're interested in, go find those books, go find those courses, or go find the people that can teach you. Number 2 is to really work on your psychology with money. So Morgan Housel has a great book on the psychology of money. I have some videos out there and maybe I'll do some more updated videos as well with more lessons. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. But it talks about the psychology of money because there's some basics with money like investing in this and just the standard stuff. But then when we add our brains into it and our personalities and our, if we're more risk averse or if we're more likely to take risks, then it could totally change our outcomes with money. And so really thinking about how you think about money too. There's the Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. It talks about how a rich person thinks and how a poor person thinks. I recommend it and I have some videos as well if you want to check those out. But it's like, do you have a victim mindset? Do you think that rich people are mean people? Like, if you are a nice person or you want to be a nice person, then why would you think you could get rich? Because you think that rich people are bad or money doesn't grow on trees. Okay, there's actually money all around. There's trillions of dollars. You could get it. And so watch those money beliefs, and I'm happy to do more videos on those money beliefs and how to break them. So let me know in the comments below if you have some beliefs that are not serving you, and maybe think to yourself right now, are there some money beliefs that aren't serving me right now? Because that could totally change the game. Belief can change a lot of things in your life, just believing in something. Number 3 is to learn how to make more money and then how to make that money work for you. And so how can you make more money? Can you get a higher value skill? Can you get a higher income job? Can you start a business? Can you sell something? Can you create something? So how can you make your more money? Can you invest in assets, in real estate, in property, in investments, in index funds, things that will make your money work for you? Don't just let it sit on the beach and relax. You want to get it working. You also don't want to work your butt off for your whole life, right? So you want to deploy your money or get passive income streams or have assets that work for you so you don't have to just trade your time for money and work 18-hour days and miss your family, the most important assets. Because I do talk about wealth a lot, but true wealth is about wealthy relationships, healthy relationships, a healthy mind, a healthy body. It's not just about the money, but the money can help you to have time and freedom and choice to be able to do those things. And so really thinking about that can really be more helpful. How do you make more money? How do you keep that money? How do you get it working for you? Number 4, this can really help, especially if you're starting or you're getting out of debt or you're trying to build that first $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, $20,000, is to heal yourself with money and heal yourself from within. Like, find the value that you have within yourself and deal with the emotions, right? How many of you do impulse buys? How many of you go shopping when you're feeling sad? How many of you just randomly buy things to buy things, or you don't know how to delay gratification? You don't have a bigger vision for your life, and so you just spend and you live your life right now, which, yes, we're not guaranteed another day. It's great to be in the present, but if you are sacrificing tomorrow, for today, then that might not be helpful. And so you do need to be intentional. So work on within, like, why do you feel like you need to get the designer handbags? Why do you feel like you need to get the bigger house or something? Is it you want a house that's safe for your family? Is it that you want to go to good schools? Is it that you actually just want to present yourself well, or you like how you feel during a certain thing? That's different. But if it's trying to impress someone else, if it's trying to help yourself feel better after a bad day, like, there's other ways to help yourself feel better that don't cost money or that aren't going to hurt you. And so really, really work on that. I found that has been a key for me, is not feeling like I need to spend the money, or that my ego is talking and it's like, I really want that, or I'm going to spend that money on that, or not being able to manage my emotions. Instead, like, I go to the gym, or I talk to my husband, or things like that are actually more healthy to manage any emotions that I feel. Number 5 is to create a why, a reason, a motivation. And so if you want more money, the first thing is to create, like, why. Why do you want more money? How much money do you need? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to help a certain mission in the world and you just want to be able to have so much money to support this mission or this thing that you feel like is so horrible and you want to support that and change it and make a difference in it? Is it because you have beautiful children now that you want to take care of, or you want to have children in the future and you want to have a life that's set up to be able to take care of them? So you really have to get clear on what is your why and what is your reason for having money and being able to take care of yourself and take care of others. This can help you so much. I know it's been really motivational for me. I've always had this drive in myself that has been natural, but when, like, having my son and my stepson and things, I really want to help support them and create a beautiful life for them. And so being able to do that is not just about money, but it is about the time that it could provide, or the things that I could do and the causes that I could help. I could help more people. I want to reduce suffering in the world. And so in order to do that, or to be able to help those people, I can give them my time, but I can eventually give them money that will actually help support them and make real changes in multiple areas in the world. Number 6, if you want to get better with money, you have to set a goal. You have to learn about it like we talked about, but you actually have to have a goal. So do you just want to get out of debt? Do you want to save your first $1,000? Do you want to be able to move to a certain school district so that your kids can have a certain level of education or be in a safe area? So you have to figure what is the why, but also what are the goals, or what are small goals that you can attack. They talk about how do you eat an elephant one bite at a time. And so you have to really start thinking about what that big goal is, but then you can break it down because you know what your goal is. Know where you want to go in order to get there. You can't just magically want, hey, I want more money, or hey, I want more time and freedom. Like, what do you actually want? And that can help you to identify where you need to go and what steps you need to take to get there. Number 7 is to pay yourself first and live on less than you make. So I will talk about this over and over and over again, but in order to get better with money, you have to start with the basics. You have to know how to earn money, but then you have to know how to pay yourself first and then make your money work for you and grow for you. So you will never get out of debt. You will never be able to create the life that you want to create if you don't save some of that money, if you don't invest some of that money, if you don't deploy that money to actually help you in your life. So learn some of the basics. Maybe you don't make as much money as you want to, but start paying yourself even $5, $10, and that is going to get you in that mindset and start creating that habit that will help you in the long run. And lastly, number 8, remember that money is abundant. Money is all around. There's trillions of dollars in the world and there's billions of people in the world. So why can't you go get some of that money? Why are you only making $50,000? Why are you only making $100,000? You can get more. Yes, appreciate where you are and appreciate how much money you do currently make, but don't limit yourself. There's a ton of money in the world, a ton of people to help and to serve. And so start thinking about that. What are the problems that you can go tackle? What are the problems you can help solve? How can you create solutions and value for other people? And the more you start thinking about service and value and helping other people, the more money you will eventually make. All right, those are a few ways to get better with money and to become a millionaire, a multimillionaire, and to create the life that you deserve and to have more time. That's what a lot of this is about, is to be able to have more time to do things that you want and spend time with the people that you want, take care of your health, take care of your relationships, and just create a life that you love. So let me know in the comments below if this was helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more. I believe that you can be the person that you're meant to be in this world and that you can create a life that you love and create a life that feels good for you and that feels good and helps others. So thanks for being here. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.